Hello and welcome, wonderful humans, to Sword and Quill Wednesday edition. We are back. I was a little sick, so I didn't stream last week, but now I'm better. Except for my hair. My hair is getting out of hand. Well, then embrace it. Now I have to post that I'm live, and then we can get this thing started. Ta-da. So, how have you been going on? You're fine. It's indeed dev. Godot. There we go. And posted, and there we are. Okay, wonderful. So, where were we? So, yes. I can show you. First, I need to turn off the in-game music. Yes, I worked on
text-to-speech
upgrades. Setting music volume. There we go. All right. Yes, we revamped the menu just a little. Also, I can just tell that menu buttons are a bit too small now. Main menu. Let's get that sorted. Let's give them 50. 40. No, I think that's too small. 50 seems to be good, and those might actually get a little bit off. Width. Oh, but apparently books container. Where do I set your 400? Right, but this should be, yes. There we go. That is more like it. Give the buttons that you need to start the game a little bit of width. Maybe not that much. Oh. Okay, what do we have here? 250, 250 seems fine. And now the separator. Oh. Where's the other separator? Excuse me? Nah. It was okay before, just not the whole thickness, but what is it? 200? No. Size 200? Or can this be as thick as this? 200? Oh, that's weird. Oh, because this is 250. I can math. Okay. Now I can show you what I worked on. We also increased the version. So we are on the next version already.
Enable text to speech with V.
Yes. Okay, so yes, we made the collection. Collection now shows all the animals you have captured so far. And now seeing them in a list like this, I realize I don't have that many yet. So I will have to make more. I'm sure you won't complain. Then the same for stickers, but I deleted all my saves to test the upgrades. So we have this. I need to make escape work here, and then we have upgrades. And this is what I've been working on. So let me delete my player save. So we can actually test this. Godot app user data Soulblaze, and then player data and run save. Go away. And yeah, we want to make an upgrade. I hate that everything starts, collapsed, expanded. Try to get into the engine to do this myself. I have a toggle for this, but I couldn't figure it out because C++ is a bit complicated in it. Do not enjoy this. Angle. So I feel like I don't need the light. No, I'm fine without the light. Okay, upgrade. Now we want a new upgrade, and we call this upgrade starter div dagua. And we need our text file. Great starter. Additional starter. Unlock starter. Starter. Freischalten. Right. Starter. Div Dagua. Unlocks the starter div Dagua. Okay, we want this for all. Do I really have to? I haven't figured out cost factor yet. I need to figure that out. Right. But first things first. We have upgrade starter div dagua, and upgrade starter div dagua. Max number is 1, unless we want Yeah. And let's say cost is 200. Cost factor is 1. Correct? Correct. And then the same, we need this for unlock starter. Just getting the text in there. Okay. Don't know if 200 is too much, but we'll test exactly that. Us and Ember. Now have this description and us and Ember. And then la zoom with period. La zoom is here. D, because that's what we're checking in the code. Zoom and start la zoom. Okay. Now I need to download the file. It gets interesting in a bit, I swear. There we go, localization. Okay, and now we have the starter screen. Starter. Game minute. Somewhere we have add starter. Add starter. Add starter animal to pool. Yeah, there we go. Enable Patreon bonus happens on start run rest. Okay, and we say add unlocked starters. If game manager player data manager what do we call it? No. I'm lagging. How did I call it? Collected anyone's upgrade pool. Upgrades. There we go. Oh my god, my brain today. Upgrades has. No, we need the ID started the Dagua. Then manager. Nope. What are we doing here? Yeah, run data. Why is this going back so weird? So weird. Excuse me. Find it manually. Start run press. So this can way. So we see more. Game manager run data. Add starter animal to pool. And then we say load nope. Div Dagua. Okay. Load. Div Dagua. This one. There we go. And now allowed. Oh, cute little frog. And then we do the same for Cinnamon and Halazum. Just have to.
Darling, do you want to know what I think?
Cinnamon. Oh, now you realize the path. Oop, that was not what we wanted. There we go. Okay. And now we can test it. Guess we should test it floating, because it's more fun to watch. Isn't it?
Enable text to speech with V.
Burp game app, because you can do that now with Godot 4.4. Isn't that splendid? My hair. I hate it. That's better. A little better. I need to dye it again,
Enable text to speech with V.
but I don't have money right now. I'm a poor indie dev. Okay, so at the top right you see we have 0 marbles, and now all upgrades should be unaffordable. Maybe the red is a bit too much because it's like hard to read. So yeah. Unlock starter for all 3 also does not sound. I'd like them to be in the same row. Anyway, yes, we cannot afford any of these. No, this bothers me. I will give them unique names. Starter. Description. Dagua. Oop. An Ember and color zoom. Data, Dagua, starters. Color zoom. Okay. Then Dagua, bams, and bams. Description. Nothing number this and this description, and then halazum and halazum description. There we go. Now I just have to export it again. I should do this as an offline file, but alas, I am dumb and don't feel like changing what's already working. Yes, great. And now also one thing, I think the red is maybe a bit too much on the upgrade card. Unaffordable background. Let's put the modulate here on maybe this. Let's try again. Okay.
Enable text to speech with V.
Upgrades. Okay. Good. That works. And then we can start a run. Now we should only have this. And now we have a little code thing that doesn't work with keyboard yet. I mean, it works with keyboard, not with gamepad. Test 1, 2, 3. This works. So I prepared this for being able to give you all little goodies later that you can type in codes and that unlock specific and sometimes like promotional or unique starters. But we only have Helper right now, so that's what we're gonna pick. Alright. Which path? I increased money a little, I think, but it's not enough for a shop right at the first or the second one. Okay, there's a lot of wild ones. We do want healing at the end, so there is healing in the last but one lane, which kind of looks like a good crossover. We could also, there's a healing at the end, so but there's also a lot of trainers here. I mean, animancers. I'm playing Avowed right now, and they also, I forgot they also have animancers there, so this is now really confusing for me. Because they do in fact not have little cute little creatures that they used to fight each other with in Avowed. So I was disappointed. Okay, we'll start with one marble, which maybe we should also not do. So at the top right you can see, so this here, do I have a mouse button? I do not have a mouse button. That's a strange. Oh. Did I pick something? No. Yeah, at the top right you see your bottle caps. In the very corner, that is your currency for in the run, to buy things during the run, and the other things are the marbles, which is your persistent currency. So that is what you want to collect to buy upgrades, which I just implemented. So, but I don't have any balancing there, and that's why I'm trying here now to find out what's best. So I think we go here and just maybe can afford a potion. All right, and now we want experience points and a double. Isn't that nice? Okay. Oh my, that is going great. What be immediately able to, oh yeah, no. I forgot that you don't start with any items right now, because I have upgrades that give you starting items, which means ergo you don't have starting items if you don't have the upgrade yet. Stupid game developers, so mean. But we got a whole level. Fuse, fire, or water sphere? It's a question what we could get next. How about? Okay, we get. Oh, this still has the old icon up there. Do I have notes somewhere? Yeah. Notes. Note. And here we go. Victory. Oh, I do have bugs test here. Victory screen still shows old Marble icon. Stickers. Because stickers and marbles used to be swapped. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, for some reason. Well, don't tap out my game, I guess. So what do you think, chat? Are we gonna catch a fury animon or a wisdom animon? I should also get rid of the experience points there because you're not getting any unless I want to add like a minimum amount. Anyway, okay. Let's Hey Yuki, you would say fire. Okay, then let's do that. And let's hope that we get fire. I've been well, 24 was oh no. 24 was just like not being able to close here. Am I still streaming? Yes, I am. Was wild and difficult, to be honest, but I should not tap out. This breaks the game, but it's getting better now. Uh-oh. Oh god. Oh god. What's happening? Yeah. I have this automatic switching between control schemes. Oh god. Alright. Luckily it saves. But yeah, sometimes doing it at the wrong screen creates big problems. So I should not allow maybe
with V.
changing control schemes within a battle or something. So yeah, a bit difficult. It's getting better now that I'm doing my own company again and working my own game. How have you been? Yeah, I was like many one of the people who got laid off in 2024 because our publisher decided to cancel our project in the middle. So our whole team of 15 people, I think, got laid off. So that was rough, but it's also rough for a lot of other people. But yeah, I'm feeling now my creativity coming back, and working on cute little creatures that I make myself is fulfilling, and I can only afford. Okay, maybe the money is still not, or the prices are just too high. It might also just be the prices are too high, but at least we can afford a bind shard. And now, do we dare to already battle an Animancer? This looks fun. Well, I'm glad you think so. You can play it already. Let's see if my command works. It does not. Wait, didn't I just test? Oh, Cloudbot is off. Why do you always turn yourself off? Soulblaze. There we go. So there's a demo up right now, but you can also join the playtest, which is basically the current dev build. You've been doing okay, it's been rough too, but it's life, I guess. Yeah. Well, sorry to hear that it's been rough for you too, but yeah. I hear from a lot of people. 2024 was not great. So let's make this a better one. I'm trying hard to make an impact, to have an impact, to improve the world just a wee bit. Oh, a bakery job, that's nice. Of baking. Like bread or pastry or everything. And you start programming for fun. Yeah, I also did not expect to enjoy coding this much. I only really started like getting deep into coding last year when I had the time and be unemployed. But yeah, I enjoy it a lot to just figure things out. It's like solving a puzzle. Like you have something you want to achieve and you don't know how exactly. You do a little bit of research, you find some tricks, and then you rework your code and suddenly magic. It's nice. Okay. If you're brave, do a little bit of both. Nice. Oh man, now I want fresh bread and pastries. Thank you, brain. But yeah, I'm glad to hear that. That sounds like a nice job. But is it you also have to get up at like 4 a.m. or is it just like during the day? Because like the prop bakeries get up super early, right? I don't know if I'm feeling brave. But we get more money there, so... But we don't have any items. This was a terrible idea. Well, maybe we're lucky. Okay. Can we get a 2? Yes. Oh. Wow, but 1 hit is already... Shoosh. Like, so I get to wake up at 5 a.m. Oh, well, 5 a.m. is at least not 4 a.m., so that's something. Oh, but we can... Yes, we can defeat you with 1 go. Okay, so now we only have to deal with Varainka. But then you are also off work earlier, right? Upside. Okay, we were lucky before. Let's see if we can. Okay, it's gonna do water sphere. It's gonna do snap for 5. So we definitely want to shield ourselves. Then hit it with another snap. What? Oh, because we did not have. Oh yeah, I added to the tooltips that you can see how the damage is calculated. So, no, don't be tight locked. Okay, 7 more. We cannot wing that, so we will put up another shield. Get off at 4, yeah. But then again, you also go to bed earlier because you have to get up earlier, so effectively you don't have more time, right? The whole day just gets shifted forward a bit. Oh no. Oh, tight lock is working! That's great, but terrible for me. Because now we can't use it. So tight lock work, status condition, you see we have 3 stacks of tight at the top left, which now means any dice that rolls below the tide goes swimming. So now we cannot use this die, and you're going to use sword for 5, which is not great. And we don't have any items. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta level up. Yeah, but at least fresh pastry, right? Do you get to eat some of the leftovers if that didn't get sold at the end of the day? Okay, we're gonna take 5 damage. We can survive this. We have a double bonus. So we're gonna do 10 damage, which should be just enough. Are you still doing D&D? I do get to eat some of them, but mostly eat the bread. Yeah, it's also good. Fresh bread is so good, so underappreciated sometimes. We shift my group, still playing with the same group. We shifted to Savage Worlds. I got the beautiful anniversary edition, which is shiny. Not streaming anymore though. We just play for us. Less pressure, more creativity. Like, people don't have to be worried about how they play their character. But yeah, we're still playing, and it's a lot of fun. And we're winning! Yes! Okay. We already committed to fire, right? So maybe we commit to fire again, but also rain barrage is also very good. I don't know. Let's take this because it's sort of dope. Okay, we have 4 marbles. Which are not enough for the prices that we're having. So guess I have to reduce the prices. See how much marbles we get after a successful run. And let's hope. Alright, we have a water trick and we have a fury trick, and of course we get a patience creature. I guess that's what we're gonna do then. Better than none. We should, oh yeah, we should add special bind shards that increase the level of the enemy captured. Steam dart or hyperventilate, which we can actually teach someone. Holozone? Looks really good. Oh yeah, it does. It's shiny. Wait, what was it? Yeah. And that's servant number 3. Still going strong somewhere. Yeah, also you can do more spontaneous breaks and stuff. I mean, I enjoyed it, but also the amount of work that I put into the stream did not equal the followers and viewers that we had like after a year of this. So it felt like, even though I enjoyed it, I was like, okay, for my own sake, I'm gonna put a pause on this. Eventually I want to try again, maybe with a group that's more used to streaming. But yeah, it was a lot of effort, and also maintaining the followers and posting everywhere, and like, I don't know, we never really got past 10 viewers, so it was took a bit of the momentum out, I would say. Okay, which shop? Which shop feels more lucky? Oh shoot, there are 2 trainers. This one. Okay, we can afford. We can afford the dull knife, which I guess is good. But I do not think we can afford. We can. Don't think we can survive another battle though. Yeah, it felt like work at the end. That's exactly what it was. Oh no, now we get to Dark War. I wonder if Dark War. Headbutt. Oh no, you're gonna die, aren't you? Maybe get a critical in? Nope. Luckily we can switch. This is also not good. We're not gonna survive the trainer, y'all. Barely surviving this. Dang. Ooh. Hypnotize could maybe save our butt. Hypnotize stuns the enemy on a double roll. And we have nothing else. So this is rip us. Did get a level. Oh, and the experience points increased. And we have a double. Thank you. Thank you. I need all the finger crossing I could get. Okay. We are gonna take 4 damage, which we can survive because also Halazum has the defensive quirk, which gives them another shield whenever they get a shield. So, okay. We can do this. We can do this. Let's just keep a calm head. Wish I could afford a hyperventilate. It's so freaking expensive. Oh no, we're gonna take 3 plus. We're gonna take 9 damage. I don't think we can survive this even with 3 shields, because then we're at 8. So let's get damage in while we can. Oh no. Nope, we lost. Rip. Yep. It bothers me that the animals get out of that button thing. Well, father's reason 1, which is the float, which it shouldn't be. Rip doggo, yes. Well, most damage makes sense. Now let's see. Did the collection work? Yes, we have Kalbu, we have Halazum. Stickers? No! Again? I fixed that. For some reason, this knife always makes a problem. But we have those, Pound Snap, Soul Shield, Water Sphere. Where is the stupid knife? Cheap ball. Flame. Member card. Coin. Sharpened knife. Again, dull knife. Common. Why are you not loading this? You are common. Sticker. Sticker dull knife. I'll have to restart. I had this before. For some reason, the dull knife does not always appear in the collection.
Enable text to speech with V.
And I don't know why. And then later, yeah, now it appears. So why? Why not the first time? Favorite bugs. Yeah, here, dull knife. Thin knife, sharpen knife. Collection screen. Oh, no, not collection screen. We want the sticker collection screen. So we are loading all the stickers here. for sticker and sticker database. But the first time should have checked the sticker database. Okay. But now upgrades, we have 6 marbles. And the cheapest one is 50. So either the prices are too high or the loot is not good enough. Think on the victory screen. Wait, where is it? Add purse currency. Run data, add persistent currency. Yeah. So this is what we want to find. Selection. Victory screen here. Stickers gained. Oh, those are marbles gained. Where is stickers gained? Here we go. After boss we get 10. After trainer we get 3. Okay, then do we increase this a little? Let's say wild is 3. Trainer is 6. Boss is 12, potentially. And we get a marble. When we enter a room, somewhere we get Paris currency. Oops. Adventure run data. Somewhere. Where's this? Is it on the map? Map. Currency. Paris. Nope. Is a game manager. Because this is why a run starts with already 1 marble, which is may make sense, because if you lose the first, then you already get a marble. Yeah. Paris currency. Nope. Where do we? Oh, is it maybe in the map room? Oh. Paris. God damn it. Where do we do it? Run. Data. Add. Persistent. Yeah, it's only those 2. But I know for a certainty that we start a run with a marble. I think it's on the map somewhere. I have the feeling it was on the map script. It was somewhere on like getting back to the room. Exited. Map exited? No? Unlock. Is it here? Next region. Nope. Unlock. Unlock next rooms. Okay, I think there's a debug that says whenever I add one. So we can just try.
Enable text to speech with V.
Alright, start run. And now, yep, we have one marble. Hmm. Okay, generating new map. So we have generate. Yeah, we do create map and then spawn room and then find. No, not spawn room. Generate. Create map. Map. Create map. Load map. Nope. This is generate new map. Create map. Generate new map. Let's just trace it. Here. Start run. Unlock floor. Nope. Wait, it's not though. Not an event, is it? No. Okay, generate new map. Inventory and then make transition around change range. Where? Okay. Gonna go to run data. Add our assistant currency. Let's not increase it and see if it still happens, and at least we know it is this function. Wait, we renamed the thing.
Enable
The currency.
speech with V.
Yep, we still have the one, so I think I've been looking for the wrong thing because we renamed the currency. This is what we'll call it, and we want the plus. But this is the only one. Okay. Here. Reset data. Unpressed currency 0. And then after every room, it can be frustrating because most of the time it's just like tracking, like going, retracing the steps of which function calls which and where something happens. Yeah, it is frustrating if you have no clue, but sometimes this feels like a little detective work, which is fun to a degree. Okay, now when do we increase this then? After every return to map. When we return to the map, I think. Oh no, it's the game manager, isn't it? So what language are you dabbling in? What coding language? Because I've recently tried to look into C++ to maybe help out a bit with contributing to Godot, but it's a beast. Chaos exited. Show map. Okay. There we go. Then we do it. Oh, you are using Godot. Nice. I love Godot. Show map, transition pane half in. Rust room is not 0. Yes, then we say here if map columns cleared is not 0, so if we're not at the start of the map, game manager run data add persistent currency 1. Yes. Oh yeah.
Enable
But
text to speech with V.
But I feel GD script is like very forgiving for a first language because there's so many quality of life functions and stuff that makes it so much easier. I started with C#, which also isn't that difficult, but definitely harder to wrap my head around than GD script. Okay, now we have 0 marbles, which is correct. And now we are gonna try to go for the chest. Yeah. Like starting with 0 bind shards is also a bit suboptimal. But we'll see. Okay. Give me another 2. Nope, you are doing that, aren't you? Hey, but we have soul shield, so that's nice. I forgot about that. Ouch. Yes. Level up. No, not again. Why you do this to me? What inspired me to make this game? Well, first of all, I was very frustrated with the last Pokemon game. So I love Pokemon. I grew up with Pokemon. I haven't played it, like, I played the first 3 generations and then I had a long break and then I got back into it. The newer ones, but I feel like they keep rehashing the same things and then also get worse. And then the Scarlet Violet was like the cherry on top. And we have a block. Bien. Thanks, no thanks. So yeah, on the one hand I wanted to... Oh no. Ah, it always does this. Okay, it focuses on something else that it shouldn't. Oh yeah, jump attack. Excuse me. Oh, I can see my mouse cursor on OBS, but not in the game. Oh, okay, we have the same stupid error. No, what if I... Nope. Does refocus work here? Yes, it does. But it's still broken. Fine. And I'll do it this way. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, so I wanted to and the other thing was that there was no Pokemon Roguelite, which baffled me because the whole game, the whole system, like building a team on the go, deal with what you have, finding rare Pokemon, having resource drain because you have to keep them healthy and you need to you can run out of moves and all that stuff. Like, it's predestined for roguelikes, and they even had that mode in the Sword and Shield, which was a lot of fun. You could like play with friends through like a dungeon. And there's Pokerogue, which is also fun and popular, but also illegal because they just use copyright material. So I was like, okay, I want to make a Pokemon game that has a lower bar of dedication. Like, you don't need to spend hundreds of hours to play it, play through it. It has little sessions, and make a roguelike. Because there's no creature collecting roguelike that I'm aware of. And dice. I wanted to see, can I throw in my tabletop RPG love into a creature collecting combat system? And yes, this is how we ended up here. After X and Y. I really liked Sword and Shield, but it might also be the fact that this was the first Pokemon that I have played since Ruby. So a long gap. And I liked the art style, it was cute. I liked that I could customize my character so much. And I played with a friend, so that was also the we played all the way together. That was also the first time I played Pokemon like side by side with someone else, like filling the Pokedex and changing Pokemon and then running around that wild area. So for me that was really fun, but as said, it's also probably due to the fact that I haven't played any of the previous ones. I'm now catching up on Y on the 3DS that I got off eBay. And what do we want? Do we want the Twig Needle? Can we now? No, it's still not working. Okay. We're gonna... How do I break this so hard just by clicking on something? Alright, we still don't have a bind shard though. So I'm really interested to see in what Zeta A does, because I'm a huge co-op player, so as soon as there's co-op somewhere I'm like, I love this game. But yeah, the fact that they postponed the game like to add another year to Z2A is already a good sign, because like the last game was rushed. You could tell it was breaking apart at the seams. And I did enjoy Arceus, which was fun and nice little change of pace, even though the world was a bit empty. But yeah, maybe they learned their lesson, but I don't know. Here's hoping. We still don't have... Yes! Still don't have any... Nope, we are broke. So I guess we just end you. I'm sorry. Oh, Snap. We can upgrade Snap. Oh, oof, this is gonna be... This, yeah. Okay, now we have 9 marbles, which is already feels a bit better. Yes. Now just give me a give me a 2. That's also good. It's a 3. Well. Oh, oof. No, you do a lot of damage. Wait, how does Steam Dart has Stoke already? No, Wait, that... Need to reset that, I think, in data. Oh yeah, it was buggy, it looked terrible and lagged like hell. Like, they wanted to make this open world happen so hard. Oh yeah, I painted the creatures myself. Thank you. Glad you think they're cute. That was my goal. Oh no, jump attack 5. Let's get our crappy little shield on. Yes. I miss drawing my comics, but I also know it's unrealistic with all the things that have going on. I've tried a few times to start again drawing comics, but time doesn't work that way. So I'm glad I could at least live that out a little by drawing the creatures here. And I'm also gonna die on and okay, the flames should reset now. Am I not handling? Yeah, and Cinch again does not have a preview. This is a bug. I can't figure out where it's happening. It just doesn't show. The damage preview. Hello, Godot. Why? There. Let's click on it and see if it's... Oh no. A full screen does not really work that well. Alright. So yeah, I would really like to know how much damage this does, because okay, so the damage calculation is there. It does not have stoke, but it has the effect, so the fire effect, so I have to figure out what this does. Okay, we've jumped the jump 5. Oh, I didn't reroll. I am done. Okay, if we roll... Yeah, I need to check why it's not resetting. Okay, if we get 2... No! That is the worst that I could have rolled. Because now it is all over once again, isn't it? Yup. Who made this difficult game? I would like to have a word. Score 6. Alright, now we have 15 marbles. And we still can't afford anything. So let's adjust the prices a little. Okay. Selling consumables, let's say the cost is $10. Yes, I find it rude that it's so difficult. I would like to complain. 10 and cost factor. Or 15. Yeah, definitely. but I also planned it with persistent upgrades in mind. So I made it deliberately harder because I knew it will get easier once you like grind enough marbles to upgrade and make it easier. So it had to be difficult from the get-go, otherwise it would already be way too fast to become easy. So, but if we do this and you can afford those items which are kind of crucial, that you at least start with a bind shard that you can capture an anemone.
Enable text to speech with V.
Then that should be okay. Because now, yeah. Now we can afford this one for 10. And now it's cheaper. Because I don't think I am doing the scaling right. Okay, I have to think about it. So, what I wanted to do with the scale factor is, if the scale factor is 1, then the price increases evenly. So if the thing costs 10, then the second upgrade should cost 20 and the third should cost 30. Right? Then because then if the cost factor is half, if the cost factor is 0, okay, it should start with the base cost. It should always start with the base cost, because then if the factor is 0, then we add cost times cost factor times purchased amount. Right? Let's think this through. So let's say that the cost is 10 and the factor is 1. Then if we don't have it purchased, then it costs 10 plus 10 times 0 times 0, so we don't add anything. If we already have it purchased once, then it's 10 plus 10 times 1, which is 20. Okay, so that seems to be correct. And if we have half of it, so if the cost factor is 0.5, for example, then we have 10 plus 10 times a half is 5. Our purchase amount is 1, so it is 15. This sounds correct, but we'll see. We definitely need some sort of like achievements.
Enable text to speech with V.
That, like, if you beat a boss for the first time, you should get a bunch of marbles, but only the first time. So upgrades. So now it's 15. Okay, that is good. Starter level. Fusion charges. Those are a bit expensive though. I think Also, can we put this down here? No. Okay, fusion charges. Let's keep it at 50, 1.5, 100, 100. 100 is a bit high, maybe 50? I don't know. I'm gonna balance it. Data level 50. And consumables. Okay. How do we save achievements though? Probably in the player. Up. Whoopa. Player pref. Oh my god, my brain. Player data manager. Player data. And we can call it export var achievement dictionary. And then we can make an achievement stat. Do we make an achievement? We can maybe make this later. First we test one thing after another. We test the prices and the cost factor, which might be a bit too much.
Enable text to speech with V.
So why does it always take so long to show the screen? Okay, upgrades 50 50 50 50 50 15. Now everything's the same. I don't like that. Anyway, you're gonna grind a little. Oh, now we should have, yes, we have starting items, friends. Okay, which path? There is 3 healing, which is great, so I think this is where we want to go. And then 2 upgrades and oh, okay. I mean, we'll not pass any trainers there, but YOLO. Uh-oh. Yeah, well. Do we want hella zoom? Just powered, so I'm gonna add another turn so we get some experience points like so. Yeah, more experience points. Grind those points. Okay. Do we want hella zoom? Or do we have one bind shard? Or do we want to hope for a different one? What do you... Oh yeah, this bug. Okay, this critical... Try to get the frog. Yes, I love the frog. Dagger. Adaptive tricks don't keep their readied value. Yay for bugs! Yes! This is a bug collection game like Pokemon started. Adapting tricks don't keep their readied value when ending turn. No bad. Okay. Hello, Stratiture. Stratiture? Welcome. Yeah, for bugs. So yes, so we are trying to get the frog. Or gonna do snap, aren't you? Let's protect ourselves. So yeah, anyone who's interested in the game thinks that's something for you. You can play the demo on Steam or request a playtest access, which I could grant anyone anyway. It's not that many people are playing it. And the playtest on Steam is basically the dev build. So the content that I have right now, except for the editions that I'm working on right now, so it doesn't have the upgrades yet. So yeah, you can give it a shot for free, and it also really helps me out if you like what I do and hit the wishlist button, because wishlist helps a lot with visibility on Steam. I'm trying to wake up. Yes, waking up is so difficult. Okay, Parasite. We're in Kindle. Nah, go for Parasite for the collection. Oh, we need to show techniques that we don't have collected yet with an icon. That's important. Ah, friendship bracelet. I've never tried this with the new dice experience points mechanic. Wonderfully handcrafted. Non-participating Alman will gain 50% of XP after battles. I mean, it's not correct, but so do we want potions or do we want to try to upgrade? Can we upgrade? Okay, we have available techniques too to upgrade. But what do we have? We can only transfer flavors, and the flavor is slow, which is terrible, so let's not do that. Nope. Nope. Okay. Upgrades are not great right now, so let's go for potions. And then, alright, what do we want to do, chat? Do we want to give our little dog an extra max shield, or max HP, or experience points? Yes, strateger. I'm making the art all myself. I draw the animons with my Wacom and the other things I do in like Photoshop-ish. Photopea, not Photoshop. I'm away from max HP. All right, max HP it is. Oh, you get to choose again. What now? Max shields, again max HP, or straight up experience points. Right. How do we want to treat our little Kelbo? With a definitive defense dynamo, energetic endurance engagement, or the super smarts slalom? Shield! Alright. Good call. Yep. Kelbo's gonna be our main tank. 1 out of 1 party members, super tank. Get away, mouse. There's the frog! Alright, let's not mess this up. Okay, here's also a trick why 3 max shields are good. Because, so Pout only gives me 2 shields, right? That has buff 2. But, when I roll, maybe I'm lucky. Yep, so if we roll a double, we get a double bonus. And now if you check, we get 3 shields. 2 plus 1 from double. And also our damage increases. 2 plus 1 is now 3. So this way, we now can fill all of our 3 shields, which is good. And Snap has precise, which I guess to somehow add to the... That's the only thing I think I'm missing from like the breakdown of the damage, that if you... So it has precise, which means if you pay it exactly, so it costs 2. If you pay it with the dice, it has to. It deals more damage. So that way, rolling and spending dice is a bit like strategic. Oh, why did I reroll the 2? I need the 2. But also we don't want to risk it. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Also, I have to change the catching animations because it's too close to Pokemon, and they already sued Palworld for throwing a Pokeball at the ground and summoning an a Pal, so I have to change that too. Pummel! Pummel is good. Let's teach Pummel to our bestie frog. And do we heal? I think we have like 4 Solar Cola. Yeah. But it's also... So it's funny, I posted this game on Reddit. Like a lot of people, like, you know, Nintendo is known for going after anything even remotely copyright infringements. We all know that. That's very funny. Pokemon did that. But also on the other hand, then people think like if you do anything remotely creature collection that Nintendo's going to sue you, which is not how copyright law works. They say like As and Amber is similar to Eevee, which I grant them is it does look a bit like Flareon, but you cannot sue for like random singular similarities. Like if every Animon is similar to like not even Palworld, that like their creature design, you can immediately tell with all the creatures where the original Pokemon is from, right? And even they didn't get sued for the similarity, they got sued for a specific mechanic they used, which was patented by Nintendo, which was throwing a object in a 3D space and then summoning a creature at the location where you throw it. That's what they get sued over. The whole other thing that it's like blatantly copying Pokemon, they didn't do anything about it because like you cannot sue based on just it looks similar. So on the other hand, there's this mobile game, the Pokemon clone. Did they not get the patent for the Pokemon after Power was released? I don't know. I think it was something with riding and then throwing. I think it was a patent from Arceus. But I'm not sure. Like, I haven't dug too deep into this. But yeah. Like, they sue if you use... Like the Pokemon... This Chinese... Was it a Chinese game? Or also Japanese game? This Pokemon mobile clone, which literally uses the term Pokemon and has all the Pokemon, like Charmander and Squirtle and stuff in them. And Ash and everything. Like, they just take... I mean, they drew them themselves, I think. But they look almost one-to-one. And use the word Pokemon. So, of course, that gets sued. But just being similar, there's legally not much ground unless like all aspects are similar. Then I think they can do something about it. Potentially. But like my game has completely a different battle system and lots of different approaches. So I think the only thing I'm worried about is that the throwing, like the catching animation is clearly inspired by Pokemon. That was when I started. I wanted to like create a tribute to one of my favorite childhood games, and that's why I made it like very similar. But now, of course, I have to distance myself a bit from that inspiration. Okay, now we have a fire. Yeah, inspired should be okay. I mean, otherwise, I mean, look at Koromon, for example, which is Koromon, or what's the other called, Nexomon, which do their own thing, but I mean, that's heavy, especially Koromon is like heavily inspired by the old Pokemon games, from the pixel art style and the perspectives and how to play it. I mean, it's literally an homage to the old Pokemon games, and they're fine. Okay. Ouch. So you can see Defdagra has a special ability. So each Animon has their own unique ability. So whenever I swap this one in, it gets stronger because it likes to jump around. So now, because I swapped it in from Calbu, it is now stronger. But I also kind of need to shield ourselves. It's not that. Okay, do we want to do Pummel? Because Pummel is also strong. Because it's multiple times. Also, I need to implement that. We're waiting for the animation to finish and not just... Oh yeah. Healing drops! Yes! Alright, now we get to the juicy mechanics. So, now we are teaching a wisdom technique to Diftagua. Which now... we could change our dice loadout. So, there are different elements. I call them aspects, and you can pay them with any dice, but if you pay the wisdom trick is blue, right? If I paid with a blue die, the special effects get enabled. So wisdom dice have the effect overflow. So if I overpay a wisdom trick, so let's say it costs 2, I pay it with 4, then the excess 2 flow over to the technique below it. So now that we have healing drops, we can do that. But we first also have to check the order, because currently healing drops is at the bottom, which then will lose everything if it overflows. So we want to put it above something. And we could... Yes, and this is where I step away basically from the Pokemon inspiration, because I want to play with the dice and how you manage your loadout, because you can technically pay all the tricks without dice, but if you utilize like matching colors, you get special abilities. So do we want healing drops to flow over into Pout, so we have a defensive bundle? We could do it like this. Then I mean, currently it doesn't make sense because we cannot roll over 2. Oh, but it works if we split it up. Yeah, let's try it like this. And do we also want to... because we're getting close to the first boss. And can we afford things now? We can. Okay, we have 25. We could get a reroll. Do you have think of adding evolution mechanics? Yes, sort of. Not permanent evolutions, more like Digimon or Mega Evolutions. The game name is actually based on it. So Soulblaze is, so your Animons. Animon comes from anima, which means soul. So you can ignite their soul later, which turns them into a stronger form for the fight or for a few turns. So there will be like a bar that you have to fill, and every time you roll a double, it fills it, or you can spend dice on it to fill it faster, and once it's full you can initiate Soulblaze, and then they basically turn into those versions. I have somewhere, yeah, the whole story and theme is around souls. There's also gonna be a little bit of story, what you do when you reach the end, and it's all evolving, because they are called aspects, the types, so they're all like basically wisdom, fury, patience, curiosity, mystery. They're like character traits or things that drive a person. Let me find, I have somewhere sketches for the first Soulblaze forms. Oh, I don't know where I put them, because I am not very organized. I drew this somewhere here. Nope. Excuse. Temporary soul fusion. You mean like in a cassette beast? Potentially, even though that creates significantly more work, because then you have to think about combining each version. And yeah, strategy. I also like that when there's like a theme. I mean, it started a bit because I just lost my job last year, and then it started a bit like just winging it. But now, where'd you go? But now it's slowly finding the theme, and the idea is basically you want to return the aspects back to an origin crystal that basically lost all their character traits, and you want to restore it. At least that's the current idea. And yeah, crystals and souls are the theme. And now that I'm playing Avowed, I see like a lot of similarity because they also have the Adra pillars, which are crystals, and animancers and souls and all that. But you know, sometimes things are similar. Okay, do we want to gain more bottle caps? +1 after battles. Also, it's not that much, but yes, and we can afford more in the future, so maybe try that. And now, are we ready for the boss? Great minds think alike. Well, thank you. Yeah, sometimes I have ideas and sometimes others. I mean, when I worked on Code 7 and we just started working on the project, then I think a month later Soma was announced, which was thematically and story was so similar to our theme and story. It's like, how did they know? Alright, wish me luck for the first boss. Oh no, it has reroll rebuke, which means every time I reroll I take damage, which is really not great when you try to not die. Alright, let's shield up. Let's take down the boss. Okay. Ooh, did so much damage. But it also gave players more experience points. Oh, do we want to risk rerolling this? A 1 is pretty shitty. Yes! Okay, that was a good call. Alright, how much damage are we looking at? Fucking 13. Think we are gonna give us a little bit of shield against that. Oh my god. Why did I give it? Oh, that's a lot of ones. That's good. Damn it. Hate when this happens. Come on. Okay, at least that's... The boss is brutal. Deals so much friggin' damage. Do we swap to this guy? Cause you have armor and healing drops. God, we have healing drops. Oh, but we don't have shield up now. Okay. Maybe that was... Oh my god. And we can get a 4. Yes. Whew. Not sure if it was worth the heal, but yeah, let's try pummel. Yes. And I think we should still have yes, still have the shields. Okay. Oh god. 5? I think... Nope, that was a critical. Damn it! Ooh. Damn it! Why did game so hard? Man, brutal. But now we can afford. Do we want more starting items? It cannot heal. It can shield. Yeah, if you roll well, you can attack several times in a turn. But I also gave it techniques that are very, like tricks that are very strong. So and there's also, yeah, it can shield and attack. But I gave it double slap, which is crazy good because it has the double tag, which gets free as soon as you roll a double. It becomes free, which might be a bit overkill for the boss. But it sounds supposed to be difficult, so okay. Does the sticker collection work now? Nope. Okay, for some reason it never works the first time. We did pick the lucky coin, which now is missing. Lucky coin, mythic rare. Yeah, the common one is missing. So I can have 3 soul monsters. Oh, step up your game. Oh no. I forgot that this still existed, so now I have to rank up the table so I can step up the game. Step it up. Ah. Okay, I think I know what's happening. It's true. I have been sitting for 2 hours. Here we go. Step it up. Step it up. Okay, yeah, get this blood pumping. Okay, I think I know what the problem is. The problem is that the cables are. I can't increase it higher because boop, 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 doop, doop. I think the problem is that if we add a sticker, we remove it from the pool instead of making it double. So when you add a sticker somewhere, step up your game. Completely forgot I have those channel rewards. Didn't I have? Does this still exist? Nope. I had to step up your game. Image somewhere. Step up your game. But I guess I lost a lot of my Twitch assets because Microsoft sucks. I had it on OneDrive and then it's all gone. I guess it's not there. What was I doing? Right. So add sticker. Sticker album. Nope. Here. Add sticker. Sticker. Append new sticker. Stickers. No, but stickers inventory. Yes, I think we need to add a duplicate. No, that's good. It's all healthy. Also, this lets me think differently, right? This is good. Where is the step up my game image? It's still looking for it. Because when people join in the stream and they just see me doing random movements like this without the image, they don't know that I'm a sane person. But it's fine. Nobody watches Twitch for normal people, right? Okay, so we append a duplicate uncollected stickers. erase. Wait, uncollected stickers. Aha. This is where, okay, so the uncollected stickers. We copy. Ah! We copy the database stickers. We take all the stickers that we have in the database and take it to uncollected stickers, and then we delete it when we collect them, which then of course it doesn't find them anymore because we deleted them. So that is the problem. So we don't need the duplicate here. So this should work now. Well, now we have to collect the sticker to find out. Also, nope, wait, go back.
Enable
Just normal
text to
Twitch
speech
things,
with
yes.
V.
Do your stretches and your jumps. I do want to increase the fusion charges. Let's put it to 100, but the cost factor back to 1, because I want the price to be a little bit different.
Enable text to speech with V.
Ah, I missed those shenanigans. Okay. So my theory is that's also why it always works the second time when I reload the game, because it then has the database, and there's the friendship bracelet. There we go. Okay. Oop. Ooh, look at all the things we found. Sorted out. Ooh, double slap. We only have 2 pretty fly attacks. Start run. Start run. Hello, hello. Why don't I? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we have 3 upgrades in a row there. Chests. Shopping. Ooh, but there's healing down there. We usually cannot afford the first visit, but there's also chest and upgrade and healing. I think the last lane is the best choice, but I'm also not quite sure. Come on, give us a 2. That is not a 2. But hey, you are doing powered, so we are fine. Oh, Curiosity Die, the gray ones, they have the ability that they should never reroll into the same number. So let's try that. Great. Guess we can just try to capture you now that we can afford it. Aha! Pout. So we can potentially upgrade it. And now let's see all the things we can't afford. We can afford a bind shard. Instant die costs 100. Who made those prices? Certainly not me. Ooh, jump attack. Oh, but let's collect the encyclopedia and then immediately test if we fixed the collection issue. Ornaments. Whenever you gain XP from rolling, you gain +1 more. I think we tested that. Now, sticker album. Yes. And now let's go back to the main menu and check our collection. Yes, we fixed it, folks. We fixed it. And now we can continue. All right, chat again. Max shield. So every die color has different opinion, or do they have an ability with a different move? No, so each die color has their own unique ability that is the same for. It doesn't change depending on the move, but it only gets triggered if you pay a move of the corresponding color. But the die effect, so Fury, for example, is always making Fury techniques stronger because you stoke the fire when you pay it. Max shield, right? For our doggy or for our as an amber bunny? Both are good choices. Maybe our fire bunny. Take the fire bunny. Change things up a little. Yes. Yeah. Because you can. So techniques have tags. They already have their unique abilities. You can see precise, for example. Adaptive is when it adapts the value of the dice when you pay it. So they already have their unique techniques. But on top of that, you get special effects when you pay the correct die. Because you can transfer tags on the fusion screen. So if you like the adaptive tag, for example, you could put this on a different technique, and that makes it easy to customize. But on the other hand, you kind of also lose a bit of the identity of the moves. So that's why I wanted to have some technique, like some identity, so that when you use water techniques, the water tricks, that they always can trigger overflow, and that you cannot transfer that to other techniques, because then the water still has its own like mechanical identity. And probably want to switch, even though you don't. Maybe it wasn't so smart. So before that it was a bit too punishing, because when you pay the technique with the wrong color, then it would only reduce the cost by 1. So if I have a fire trick and I pay a water die on it, even though it's 4, it would only reduce the cost by 1 because you have a color mismatch, which promoted that you use like the correct die color. But then it felt also very punishing when you couldn't, like if you had like 3 different anemone colors and you don't have only 2 dice, then you can't match all of them. That didn't feel very good. So I changed it into a reward based thing, so you can pay anything you want, but you only get the special effects if you match the colors correctly, which I think feels nicer. Hyperventilate. Let's teach this to our little alien Amber. And now, oh my god, we do not want to go the lower one. No, thank you. Do we want to fuse? Do we want to fuse? How flexible are builds within a specific color? Like, how do you mean within a specific color? You can mix and match. You don't have specific disadvantages from, like, you don't have to stick to a color. You can stick to a color. Currently, the anemons can all learn curiosity techniques and whatever color they have. So Fury techniques, as an Ember can learn Fury techniques, and there are some that have 2 types. And then they can of course learn, like Baryanka, for example, is water and plant. So wisdom and patience, and can learn both techniques, and you can mix those. And since you can also upgrade techniques and transfer tags, you basically, yeah, I can show you if I have techniques that work. So here you can alter techniques in two ways. Either if you have a duplicate technique, so let's say I think we picked up snap, or was it? No, we did not pick up snap. Here, oh yeah, pout. So for example, I have a technique item pout, so that's duplicate. If I have a duplicate, I can use the duplicate to increase, like I can feed duplicate of pout into out to either reduce the cost or increase the potency. Or if I have a different technique, I could transfer the flavor. So those are the tags at the bottom. With that I can like basically freely customize my abilities. For example, earlier with the boss, I said the boss has a double slap which becomes free whenever you roll a double, which is really helpful. But if you have like, I don't know, a fire beam that you really like, and you could slap the double on that one, and then the fire beams become free every time you roll double. And with that you can customize your builds basically to your needs. And you start with just one use. So currently I can only like alter one trick per visit, but with the upgrades you see at the top right, you can add those charges with the upgrades. So we could increase the potency, but we could also, thank you, I'm glad you like it. Yes, I wanted to give flexibility, because like the most fun part in Roguelite is coming up with your own builds, right? And like break the game with combinations that let you go infinite or something like Magic the Gathering. And I wanted to create a system that enables that. Okay, I think our only option is to increase the potency of pout. See, now I have one extra pout as a flash drive, which I could use to teach someone pout or use it to upgrade the technique. And now pout should give me 3 shields instead of 2. Okay, this path is not that great, but maybe at least we get to level up a lot. No, I disagree. Darn it. But also increasing pout was not that smart, because we do not visit an arcade on the way to the boss, which means we cannot get more than 2 at the moment anyway. But at least we get a level up. Let's switch to, oh no, we only have 1 cola. This is terrible. We were not gonna make it. Oh, come on. Must you be against me like this? Yeah. It was good for showing game mechanics. Yeah, definitely. So if you get more technique items, because I love games, or like often games, if you have duplicates of items, it doesn't matter, you just sell them. Like you're like, oh no, I found another of this sword. It doesn't matter because I already have it. And I love games where they give you meaning into finding this thing again, like in Hyperscape, the Battle Royale game, which unfortunately was shut down. But there you upgraded your weapon by picking it up multiple times. So, but in Battle Royale, you know, usually it was like you found your weapon of choice and then that's good, and then you find, and all the other weapons don't matter anymore unless you find a specific better one. But with Hyperscape it was always fun, like, oh, there's the pistol I have. Well, I found it again, and then you pick it up and you have a better pistol because it upgrades that. And I love that duplicates being important suddenly. And I just like that system of reusing things. And with this system, then you have duplicate techniques, you can upgrade your techniques. So all of the things you find have sort of meaning, or can have meaning, not all of them, of course. We are doing so bad. Maybe we teach Soul Shield to as an Ember. Oh, we have one more bind shard. So potentially we can throw it at full health and hope that we capture it. But maybe the next one, because maybe it's a Baranka. Because we're not gonna survive. Let's just hope. Yes! Whew. Alright, Twig Needle. Okay, that was a strategic catch. And now we want patience techniques. So patience, I work the way. If you pay a patience technique and it becomes ready but you don't use it yet, it becomes stronger. So you basically fertilize it and then let it grow. That's the idea. So now we have Twig Needle, but we don't have any items anymore. So, oh god, of course it's fire. Okay, we have a double. We have a 2. We have another 2. That's good. We might be able to defeat it in one go, but we also take fire damage, which is bad. But yeah, there it goes. Poke. All right. Wish me luck. Stupid game developer making this so hard. Okay, I think I've earned the step up your game part. Because I would stand longer, but my cable of the base thing is too short, so I cannot really crank it all the way up that I need to stand comfortably. So I have to stand like a little bit crouched. So yeah, okay, let's put this back. Here we go. Hello, I am back. Okay. Then, yeah. Oh, fuck, I forgot. Okay, let's pay for Twig Needle and don't use it. See, now it has the growing effect. So it will grow stronger. But I will probably not survive. Ooh. But what we could test now is if it actually grows. No, I don't think it grows when I'm away. I think we have to... Oh, shoot. The effect needs to, of course, be reset. Reset grow animation when swapping. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, let's just get some damage in, and I'm sorry, Acid Ember, you've been a meat shield. Wait, oh shoot. I've defeated this guy before. How did I do that? Oh man. Goddess Helia be with me. Yes, thank you. Game is too hard. Oh, I also changed that. The double bonus gets applied to buff effects, so... No. 4 shields! We are... Wait, what does Twig Needle do again? Some twigs are pretty pointy, you have to throw them. Okay, I think it's just a green attack. I don't think we can afford to wait here, because we are gonna dead. Now might have to nerf this boss just a wee bit. Because if I am having trouble already, as like, you know, game developers themselves are usually much better, so they should never gauge how difficult the game is by how difficult they find it. So if I find it difficult, that means it's very, very difficult. At least we could now unlock a different starter if we wanted, or increase the starter level. What do you think, chat? Do we want a new starter? So I don't know why sometimes the font is so wavy. So annoying. Yeah. Also, you keep underestimating how well you know the game. And you have to... Like, you have to... deliberately play much worse than you would to get, like, even remotely the feeling of how, like, a beginner would play the game. New starter is probably good. Okay. And we do like our frog, right? So we should probably unlock our frog. Yay! Let's see if it works. Now we have 0 marbles. Wait, didn't we have 51? Did we not have 51? Hey, it worked! Froggy! Okay. So yeah. Difficult. But now we have a new starter. I'm also kind of unlucky with the... I guess this one looks good. Nah, the bottom one looked good too. Too quick there. Froggy! Froggy versus Froggy. No, that's already too much damage for the start. Okay. Code count 0 as 1. I don't think so. It starts as 0 and then it adds values to the currency and then it subtracts the cost, which is 50. So it should... Ooh, we immediately start with a wisdom track. That's good. Maybe there's some rounding happening and it somehow rounds up or something. Need to check what's going on there. But first, submerge. Which costs 3, so we can make use of overflow. Which is great, and I think we have water dye. Yes, perfect. Now, mine chart. Why not? And let's try speed this time. No level up. And we don't have tricks, so we're just gonna go for healing items. We can't afford anything, so might as well try to capture one. Okay. We have a 4, so now I can show you overflow. Brace yourself. Ta-da! And now it paid the excess 1 to pout. But we also might be able to immediately capture you. And squirt. That's good. Then squirt. Ooh. Headbutt. And let's put squirt through the... Although doesn't matter much yet. Make leader. Okay, do we want to train? I think we need the loot, and we have 2 healings here, so we can get out with loot. Yeah, this is good. Let's do this. Heal our little guy. I think we have a better situation here now. And we want to switch to the Dagua because we have water. Submerge. And another submerge. Should take care of that. Great. And now... Oh yeah, I need to fix that somehow with the... Did I write this down? Stoke effect not resetting with enemy. There we go. Come back, there we go. Okay. We can throw in 2 submerges, which should... Oh no, it's just not enough. It's just not enough. Ooh, but if we roll a 4... That was easy. Hey, type efficiency for the win. Steam Dart or Helmet Strike. Helmet Strike would be helpful. For the boss, because it does a lot of damage but only to shields. So let's give you Helmet Strike. And yeah, we cannot upgrade anything. So let's just stock up on inventory. Okay, chat. Upper or lower chest? Which one do you feel more lucky? Where do you think the better loot is? Oh, I need your intuition. Top or bottom? You can feel lower. All right. Good. Defensive strike. Mushroom grenade is good, but we don't have a patience. Lady Luck smiling, yes. We don't have a patience Anemone, so let's go for defensive strike and teach that also to you. And then we just stock up on more. We now have 9 solar colas, so if we don't do it now, then we will never do it. Okay, that's a good sort of start. Oh fuck, I forgot about reroll rebuke. So let's do a defensive strike here. That gives us shield. And then a snap. And now we will switch, because then we get a damage bonus. Get a snap in, and now we get again 13 damage. Out or critical chance 5. This is critical chance 4. We can survive one of those. I think getting the damage in. Nope. I was hoping we would get a critical. Oh, please survive. Okay. Good. Great. Now we heal. We also switch. Because then we get a defensive strike in. Oh, I should have done helmet strike first. And a headbutt, which has critical. Oh no, it was jump attack that has the higher critical chance. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did not use the healing things. Smartly. That's okay. Yeah, just go all in. I think we did it! Hey! Woohoo! Stupid dev, I showed you! Your boss easy. Take that. Okay. Sort of dope. Finally, I can show you the second region, which has a whole different map design and different animals. Soothing Mist heals the party for 2. That's not bad. Healing drops heals the user. I don't need to nerf it. Yeah, I guess you just have to get a few upgrades in. Okay, do we want to heal the entire party for less, or do we want to be able to heal the froggy himself? Both are good. This costs... Oh, it doesn't say the cost here. That needs to happen. Add cost to shop cart details. Heal Froggy, make him god. Sounds good. Alright, now we can decide if we want another die. Then we have 3, which increases the chance of rolling double, which is good for buffs. Or if we upgrade 2 die, which helps us level up, because we only get experience points when we roll higher than our Anemon's level. And if Dagua now is level 4, and we have a D4, so now we don't get any experience points anymore. Unless we give it to him through arcades. So and overflow works better with higher dice. So I have the feeling we should upgrade our dice instead of getting another one, which is also good, but I think upgrading is the right call. So yes. But do we want a 2d6? Yes. 2d6. There we go. Perfect. And welcome to the jungle. Okay, but you're dead, so we need to find a healing to revive you, unless we're lucky and get a sour drop. So I think we want to aim for the... Oh. Well, we have a lot of coins, so we do probably want to go to the shop. Currently, the level is tied to your dice. So the highest dice you can have is D10, so the highest level you can reach with an Anemon is 10. I might be adding a D12 later. But for now it's 10. I think only D8 is currently the maximum. I don't think I have added the assets for D10 yet. Okay, let's take the middle path here. Yes, Ninja Luna! Love Ninja Luna! Let's get ya. Also, she has the Midnight Wrath. Whenever you roll double 6 against +2 damage bonus and 2 shields. Which I never managed to test because I never had 2d6s when I got her. So yeah. Let's see, overflow in action. Oh yeah, beautiful. Wait, do we have a... Okay, come on. Do we even have a bunch? Yes, we have 1. Okay. I think I make it a little too easy to capture them, but that's fine. Oh, and we immediately got a Star Cloak. Fabulous and protective. Adds shield and heals 10% of max HP. Booyah! So now I can finally show you. Okay, it gets healing drops. Don't think we need both of those. also, yeah, for some reason it always adds it to the bottom, which I do not want. There we go. And now we can play around with 2 dice. We can now have a mystery dice, and mystery dice is all about not exactly knowing what's going to happen. So this die is never seeded, which means usually when you start a fight, the first rolls are set, like they are rolled randomly, but then they are set. So if you load the fight, you don't get different starting rolls, and the enemy neither. I want to prevent that. You can just load and continue until you get like the rolls that you want. But the mystery dice are all about mystery, so they never seed. So they are always random, and whenever you pay a mystery trick, it rerolls one of your die. So let's try that out. Which chest? Yuki, up or down? You have a good feel for these things. Which one has the better stuff? I want a sticker. Can you feel a sticker in one of those? Top! Yeah, that's 2 for 2. Nice. Okay, invigorate. Spite. I think Defnago is currently good on tricks, so they don't have. None of them has. Why does this not say the aspect? Okay, I'll just take invigorate for the collection's sake. And then we have a lot of healing items, so better use them. Okay, yep, this does not work. That is correct. Just wanted to try it. So let's see what those trainers got. Ah, Carbanero. My Star Cloak ready. Oh, it should not be ready. Okay. Ooh, now we can try it, because if I pay the Star Cloak, it should wait, what does it do? Adds shield. It should reroll the 1. Yes, entropy. No, it's fine. There were probably no stickers in either of the chests, so you felt it correctly. So we have helmet strike, we have defensive strike, which all does not help me so much at the moment. Ow. Yeah, this is not so great, the techniques. I need to get you better techniques. So let's okay, submerged, which immediately makes Pout ready. That is great. And you can go into healing drops. Yay! I've never seen the healing effect in action. Just prepared it. Alright. Ooh. Submerge. Yeah, we have a little auto machine here. That's good. Just heal, but we save it for next time. Yep. Oh shit. Did we save it too much? Now we can use healing. Perfect. Submerge. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, the fire effect is still on. Switch, Minjaluna. Oh yeah, I need to fix that. Wait, where is it? Star Cloak, adaptive, start readied. At combat, start, and switching. Should not. Hyperventilate. Increase that attack. Alright. Defensive strike. Good. Hyperventilate. Just preparing. Oh no. Alright, let's give us the Star Cloak. Nice. We have a heal machine here with the two. Helmet strike, hyperventilate. Let's get damage in, shall we? Oh no. Oh shoot. Double bonus. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Let's use that Star Cloak. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. No. Oh fuck, I forgot you can heal. God, that is getting a bit bit out of hand. I feel like they should have the same amount of dice than you, not one more. It's a bit too much, isn't it? Unless that's also an upgrade. No. Darn it. No, we're not doing so well. I mean, we're sort of surviving, but we're also not doing damage. Shit. Uh-oh. Luckily we have a lot of potions. Yeah, this Star Cloak, it is this oh yeah. Stop healing yourself. Oh my god. Oh god. But you get your shields back. You're getting your shields back. Doing enough damage. And you're healing again. We're we're stuck here forever. Shit. Also, for some reason, oh, it does increase. Okay, that's good. At least something. But the damage preview does not show, which is annoying. Wisdom is OP. Healing is OP. No, there was a what? Shit. Okay. Oh fuck. How are we supposed to defeat you? Did you just heal twice? Nope, we're not gonna do it. Unless I keep switching to the Dagua, which increases their damage. Because of fidgety, so that might be our our only chance. Yeah, I think that's our only chance to do this. Yeah, I know that also doesn't help that it is wisdom itself, so it resists my water techniques. God damn it. Give me a 2. Yes. Come on. Okay. This is gonna do 10, but half, so it should be enough. Oh my god. Hey, Starcloak. Or Steam Dart. Finally, fidgety was like really helpful. Yeah, we need to invigorate. Heals max SP and give 1 damage boost. Do we want to do this instead of healing drops? It heals less, but it also gives us a damage boost. Let's just try it. Okay. And inventory Steam Dart for our dead ass and amber. And now we want to go top. Oh yeah. This doesn't say what it does. Give to an animal and it gains 25 XP. Okay. It's maybe good. But we also we get more bottle caps after fight. This is good. We can only afford. I think we're good on XP actually, so let's buy this and this. Ah, we're gonna heal everyone, so we get our little as an amber back. Good. And maybe let's try Fury. And more shields. Or, no, let's give as an Ember experience because as an Ember is lacking behind. Where's the message? I programmed this specifically. It worked. Okay, do we want to... No, let's go for the treasure chest. Defensive strike. And Steam Dart, which is not ready yet, but next turn. Alright. Yes. Look at this beautiful damage. Oh shit. Undo? Oh boy. Ah! Scorching Body did it! Uh-oh. Oh shoot. Okay. Found a critical bug. It is waiting. Is waiting for its its turn to finish. Critical. Enemy dying through condition effect, scorching body, but still has ready techniques, gets enemy turn stuck after swaps to new Anemone, cause it's waiting for the previous enemy turn to end, which means now we do have to. Why can't I? And I can't restart. Okay. Luckily the saves. Do have to redo the fight, but at least. Oops. No, I do not want it.
Enable text to speech with V.
Alright. Continue. Let's try that again. Let's try not to kill it through our scorching body, huh? It does 2 damage. Yeah, both will not be enough, but at least we get shield. Oh no, it died again. The same thing happened again. No! Okay, how do we kill it without it killing itself and breaking the game?
Enable text to speech with V.
Wait, maybe we can fix it. I mean, that would be the best, right? Battle manager. And then we have handle enemy turn. Because then it says... Next enemy technique. If active plan. Yes, but we also need to check. If enemy party handler or active Anemone current HP is 0. Oh, here it is. Right. Cure. Handle enemy turn. If next enemy technique. If enemy party handler active Anemone. Null. If it's null, because it got deleted from defeat, then we emit, the turn is done, and return. And the same happens here. And then only... Oh, we also then say next enemy technique. We empty the next enemy technique so it does not get confused. Let's see if we fix it. Potentially, potentially. Stay hydrated, kids.
Enable text to speech with V.
Oh yeah. Continue. Yay! You redeemed after the fact. I guess I can drink again. You did redeem it. Yes, water is important. Especially against fire types. Alright, we redo the thing. So we put fire on here and the defensive strike on there. And now this fire. Oh shoot. It worked. Fix it. Good job, team. Okay, but this does now half of 9. Or 6 is a bit expensive. So... No, I was hoping for a 2. And now it will lose its stoke effect, I think. Yep. That sucks. Yup. I guess free helmet strike. Feel fine. Oh no. It's going to water technique, which is not good against you. So overflow, invigorate, and snap. Look at the burning water technique. Okay, beautiful. I think overflow. Should it be cascading? It would be really, really satisfying. But also probably too much. Yes, invigorate. Invigorate, good. Wait. Did you have shield, or why did this not do a lot of damage? Yes. Show him. For 7? How much do you heal? 10%? Seven is not 10% of 28. Dragon is doing splendidly. I mean, never... Oh no, I used the wrong one. He never gets enough food or pets, even though he gets enough. Dragon! Dragon, you wanna say hi? Come here. Guess we're comfy somewhere. But yeah, he's the good old snuggle bug. Oh. You win. Yes, and no bonus item. Oh, you redeemed it. The summoning dragon. Dragon, someone summoned you. Here he is. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Where's the camera? Uh-oh, someone's slipping. Hello. Oh, I know. Here we go. Look. Yum. Yeah. Who's a good boy? Who's famous? Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Yes. Hello. I know this is weird. Where did the ground go? Where did the ground go? Very good boy. Okay, you wanna go back down? I know this is weird. Here we go. Good boy. Ground gone. Everything weird. Yes, I love him so much too. He's the bestest boy. He's basically my Calbu. Don't need that light. All right, what did we get? Race, squirt, helmet strike. Guess we can upgrade helmet strike for free. Oh, yes. He hasn't been on stream for a while now. True. Okay. Alright, what do we get here? Potent poison. It's not that great because we don't have any poison. We already have helmet strike, so let's take the dull knife, which gives us +1 damage, which is good. Also, I want to see what we put into invigorate. Category heal. Heal amount %. Why is it 7 though? Let's go to technique handler. Heal %. Here it is. Heal party. No. Target. Heal target. Wait. Why is it hard coded? times technique heal. Wait, we have a command for this, no? Wait. What? Here. By player. This is so confusing. What was I thinking here? First things first. Heal amount % is higher than 0. By player. Heal party. Oh, we are still under party. Heal technique. Alright. Heal target, is all fine. We have heal amount full. Heal amount % is higher. Then this is target party else. Heal amount. Yeah, heal amount is not this. It is technique. Heal 1% divided by 10. Make a floor. Glory. Where do we heal? Where do we? Oh, here, heal amount. But this has percent. No? Ah, fine. Okay, this should do it now.
Enable text to speech with V.
Where did you go? There you go. Okay. Back. Second boss. Did we teach anyone anything that didn't get saved? Helmet strike we have. Solar cola. Let's go. This one exhausts one of my techniques every turn. Also does a lot of damage. Oof. Oh my, that's a creature and a half. Oh yeah. It's well armed. Defensive strike. This evil. There will be story about why the bosses are different and you cannot capture them. They're also animons, but they are somewhat corrupted. I shall have to write the story about it, but it has to do with the fractured aspects of the failed god or something like it. Solar cola. Oh god, are you gonna survive this? Nope, you are not. Hi, shy. I mean, I'm gonna cheat because I can heal for 16. This is also wrong. Star cloak. How much do you heal? Heal amount percent. Heal target. Rent. Healing for heal amount, and then put a breakpoint here, so just so we figure out what's happening here. And also oh wait, it has to be divided by 100, right? 10. Yes. Oh, I guess I already found a mistake. Well, not cheating. What are we gonna do? Helmet strike is a bit over the top here. Do this. Guess it's still easier than the other one though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, Minja Luna, my beautiful. I am devastated. But at least Dipnagua is now level 5 and is our one frog army. So we're gonna do this. Oh shit, I should have done invigorate before. Give us a shield. Yeah, the dagger's gonna do this. We need to bring vengeance in the name of Luna. Yes. Yes, we have to. Oh shoot. Overflow data. Invalid type and function new on the object derived class of argument 3 previously freed. But it's here. Huh? Strange. That didn't work for some reason. Because invigorate, this happened for a second time. Error when Rig receives second overflow payment. Before. Well, luckily the game did not crash, just had an error, but it's still working fine. I guess we do invigorate. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. No, no, not submerged. Now this heals for 10%, which we can now try, I guess. Oh shit. Damn it! I guess we're just gonna try it for science. Healed itself for 0. Fuck. Okay, so maybe. We do need to bring this back, and also the percentage. No. That is for attack. Heal amount. Plus technique. Get cost. Is that it? Yes. Here. Friend. Kill percentage is X times that divided by that, and then that is target max HP amount percent divided. Okay, let's divide it by 100. All right. We still have the big potion. Two critical hits. I hate you. Are you kidding me, ya? Guess we have to kill it, otherwise we will do science, but not really. No, this is the worst. Oh snap. Wait, we're not ooh. No, we're so close. Fuck. But we can survive it. We can survive it. Just barely. Okay. Hey, look, and we can still try it. All right. Healing. Healing for 0. But am I dumb? 10 divided by 100 times 38 is 3.8. Why is it 0? Does this get set somewhere? Strange. Oh. To continue. All right. Let's win this. There we go. Rain Barrage. Nightshade. Yes. And now we want another die. Okay. Nightshade for our beautiful Ninja Luna. And we desperately need to get to a heal, so why don't we take a safe route down here? And then, oh, Diardillo. I like Diardillo. Do we have something to catch it? Yes, technically. But I also want to find out what's happening here. 0. I thought floor E takes the rounds X downward towards negative infinity. Wait, I think I know what it is. Because it's not float. And then it runs it down to 0. That should be it. But then also the other ones. Okay, this heal party, if percent. But we don't even have to do that because we do. Yeah, we do this here already. So float. Type 100 point. Float. And then we go back to technique, handler, technique, Huh? Oh. You can learn. So we do not need to calculate this here. What we need to do is heal percent bool. And then we say percent. And we do say heal percent. Where is it? We do not need this one. Heal amount is just technique. Heal amount percent. But then we say heal percent is true. That's what we say. Correct. And we just heal the percent amount and tell it to have the percent because already included in the thing. Oh yeah, you have adaptive shield. Nice. Hope. That's not what I wanted to use. Oh fuck. Help! Give me a big number. Okay, invigorate. Now we heal by healing for 10. Oh, yes, but it should be percentage. Nope. Heal itself for 10. Did not work. God damn it. Why not? Heal target. Heal. But also didn't heal this. Percent amount is, but you didn't say that, right? No, here, percent heal amount is 2. Current HP plus 2 should be 3. Did I miss it? But it also should be 3. $38 times 0.1 should be 3. Whoop. 38 times 0.1 is 3.8. It should not be 2. Plus Percent HP. Current HP, max HP amount. I mean, we have to defeat you or capture you. Inventory capture. Okay, we survived. Nightshade. Now we have to figure out why this stupid percentage heal is not working. And buy things. Oh my god. Way too expensive. $400? Okay, this is a bit much, isn't it? What do we have here? Decent bow. This one. And oh, double slab is so good. We want double slab definitely on Minjaluna. Sure. And now we heal everybody. Okay, headbutt. Oh, could have taken something with a bag. All right, now let's try again. Oh, Bumalga! Damn it! You're rare. Yeah, I don't have slots anymore, and I haven't implemented yet that if you capture a new one, like a fifth one, that you can take it somewhere. Wait! Oh no! You're not the one we want to test. We want to test Invigorate. Okay, let's check. We are at 21, and now you're at 24. I healed itself for 10. Oh, I see. Because here. What am I doing here? Percent HP 24 21 plus yeah, this seems to be right, but then also heal should return int. Return 0, and here we return old current HP minus old HP. Yes. And then when we have the message in the technique handler, where do we say the message here? This is your favorite so far? Oh yeah, I like it too. Has a like seaweed hair, and somehow ended up being like a bit of a Anubis, even though it wasn't intentional. It started as a water owl. So where's healing? Healing. There. Now where is the message box? And heal message. 30. Heal amount. Nope. Problem. That's why we calculated the heal amount. More effective heal. Percent heal amount is 40. Target max HP load times technique. Heal amount divided by 100. Oh, I'm missing here. Heal amount. And percent heal amount goes in. Oh shit. Oh god. Where are we now? Here. Percent heal amount. Percent heal amount. No. There? Okay, but we cannot capture this one, unfortunately. Oh, you can do Twilight Beam. Aren't you fancy? Submerge. Invigorate. Now should max HP. What? Oh, fuck. Heal target. Not the target. Okay. And then oh, I guess we broke it. We broke it. Yeah. Nice, it saved it. Expect that.
Enable text to speech with V.
Boomerga. Oh, damn it. Keep forgetting. Okay, now this should work. Set for 3. See, there we go. And we have snap. And we have guess more invigorate. No, damage increased even more. Oh no. What happened now? What happened now? We don't know. We don't know. Hyperventilate. Trying battle effect for hyperventilate. Added 2 damage bonus to boomerang. Our total is 2. Emitting enemy technique finished. Shit. where are we stuck? Okay. Don't know if we're gonna fix these things now, because I also to walk the dog. And I've been streaming for 3.5 hours, so I think this is a good point to take a break, and then I can think about where this bug is coming from, because that's stupid. And at least we fixed Invigorate percentage shield somehow. Thanks everyone for sticking around. Thanks Yuki for participating. I'm gonna probably stream again next week, hopefully. Let's see. And yeah, if you like the game, you can play it on Steam, the demo, or request access to the playtest. I currently give everyone access there, and you can play and try the game, give me feedback, and hit the wishlist button if this is a game for you. That will help a lot with visibility. Thank you everyone for joining, and as usual, stay hydrated and stay wonderful. And I'm gonna see you on the next stream. See you out.